how to withdraw crypto from GMGN in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, head to GMGN's website or app and log in using your credentials. Always ensure you're on the official site to avoid scams. Once logged in, click Wallet or Funds and select Withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Carefully paste your external wallet address here. Review this as they vary by network. Need a cost-effective option? Lower fee networks like BEP20 might save you money. Complete any security checks like 2FA or email verification. Confirm all details, then hit submit. GMGN will process your withdrawal. This can take a few minutes to hours depending on network traffic, and that's it. Once processed, your crypto will arrive in your external wallet. Always check the transaction hash in a blockchain explorer if you're curious about its status, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.